Hello and welcome once again to yet another show. I have Gurpal Paji with me as we will be discussing an interesting topic which was announced a few weeks back by BCCI. The person has led Team India into a whitewash series alongside a new head coach. Gurpal ji, coming to you. The GG era started with a whitewash, but how much do you give the credit to the new captain as well? Surya Kumar Yadav, so far in the T20 series, he has led Team India before as well, but under as a prominent captain as well for the first time with a full stint side. How do you look into how was his performance overall in the three-match T20 series?
I guess there are lots of positive and takeaways from the captaincy side of Surya Kumar Yadav. He led from the front. He led from the front. Whenever there was a situation, then game was going away from India. He backed his bowlers, he backed his fielders, and India claw back to the from the losing situation to the winning situation. Because in all the three matches, Sri Lanka got a great start, almost 100 for one or 100 for one or 140 for one, somewhere 130 for one. But then the
Absolutely.
moment second wicket fell, so they he made the right noises and right calls, bringing up the right bowlers, and also in the second match when we were to chase in 8 overs, almost around 80 runs. So he came up. He came at number three and he played a blistering knock. When he faced the first one of Tikshana and it spun away from Surya and
Correct.
Sanju was just gotten bored. So he immediately applied a sweep. He played those
Swift
situations
shot.
and
Yeah.
then he swept and swept and swept. So it was a brave innings. I guess his innings give the India the impetus, and then Hardik did the finishing touches. So and the last match, the way he bowled Rinku in the 19th over,
Absolutely.
and no captain in the world would have brought himself defending 6 runs
To bowl the
uh,
final over.
for the final over. No captain. You can name any
But
captain.
do you
Nobody would.
आपके हिसाब से गोपाल जी आपके हिसाब से क्या वो उसका डिसीजन था कि मैनेजमेंट का डिसीजन था और when he was about to bowl the final over did he even think of defending it or just he wanted to have enjoy his time and roll his arm over?
आई गेस खलील के ओवर ने बहुत हेल्प कर दिया. खलील का जो ओवर था जिसमें 5 वाइड चला गया और अननेसरी 12 रन चला गया, तो इनको रियलाइज हुआ कि जैसे बॉल रुक रहा था, स्पिन हो रहा था. और जैसे सूर्या ने बाद में भी पोस्ट मैच में और एक जो बीसीसीआई का एक वीडियो इंटरव्यू होता है उसमें बोला कि रिंकू ही हैज द कॉन्फिडेंस ऑन रिंकूज बॉलिंग. तो उसने रिंकू को 19th ओवर दिया, एंड बीइंग द टेल एंडर्स एंड अ लेफ्ट हैंडर, इट वाज राइट चॉइस फॉर सूर्या टू बोल हिमसेल्फ. हु बेटर देन कैप्टन लीडिंग फ्रॉम द फ्रंट. ठीक है, एक
Agreed
वो रन
because
आउट
he
वाला.
had Mohammad Siraj as well. He had one over a
या
Mohammad
आई
Siraj उसके पास गए नहीं.
गए नहीं गए. आइडली कोई भी कैप्टन होता, इवन एट दैट से रोहित भी होता, कोई भी कैप्टन होता तो सिराज के पास जाते. बट अब स्पिनर्स के ऊपर भी बोल्ड आउट हो गए थे, तो दे लेफ्ट विद द बेस्ट टू ऑप्शंस फॉर सूर्य कुमार यादव एंड रिंकू सिंह. सूर्य कुमार ने
रिंकू
ओडीआई
सिंह
वर्ल्ड कप में भी एक ओवर डाला था, तो रिंकू सिंह बहुत सरप्राइज
हाँ
पैकेज, एंड दोनों ने को विकेट्स भी लिया. एंड द बेस्ट पार्ट अबाउट फील्ड प्लेसमेंट, जब लास्ट ओवर सूर्य डाल रहा था तो हमारा ऑलरेडी ओवर रेट आगे था और हमें एक फील्ड हमने एक्स्ट्रा लगाया हुआ था. And he kept the right fielder at right place. Even in the super over, when he gave ball to Washi, जब वो परेरा ने शॉट मारा, एक ही फील्डर था जब भी बिश्नोई वहां पे जहाँ पे उसको कैच मिला, और जब निशंका ने भी हिट किया तो भी वहां पे एक ही फील्डर था जहाँ पे सीधा कैच किया. तो his field placement, the use of the spinners was मतलब इसने and the most part ये बहुत काम एंड कूल था. इवन जो रन
बहुत ही
मिस
कम.
हुआ,
The
जो उसको
smile
आइडिया नहीं था,
constantly remained I think.
वो स्माइलिंग, काम था, कंपोज था, क्योंकि इसको पता लग गया अगर टाई भी होता है तो हम जीत जाएंगे, हम यहाँ से मैच जीत जाएंगे. ही वाज कॉन्फिडेंट कि हम यहाँ से मैच जीत जाएंगे. जो रनआउट भी मिस हुआ, कि लास्ट 2 ओवर में जो 2-2 रन आए हैं, आइडियली
हाँ.
उसमें एक में रनआउट, दोनों में रनआउट की पॉसिबिलिटी थी और दोनों में ही सूर्या नहीं कर पाया
Second
रनआउट. एक बार बॉल
right.
पकड़ नहीं पाया, एक बार
Second
बॉल
last ball I think second last ball I
सेकंड
think
लास्ट
उसमें
बॉल
रन आउट का
उसे
चांस
गलत टाइम
ज्यादा
पे थ्रो
था.
कर दिया और
लास्ट बॉल
लास्ट
पे
बॉल
उतना
पे
नहीं था.
बॉल गैदर नहीं कर पाया था, अदरवाइज इंडिया पहले ही मैच जीत जाता. एंड द वे ही केम ऑन टू बैट, जब इंडिया को 3 रन बनाने थे, मोस्टली कोई और प्लेयर होते हैं ना, वो टुक एक सिंगल लेके अपना जीतते. ही केम लेट फ्रॉम द फ्रंट, पहली बॉल तीक्षणा, स्वीप, चौका, मैच खत्म, सीरीज खत्म. I was very impressed
Absolutely.
with Surya's captaincy, as I already told in my other show as well. The way he uses spinner against Australia in the home series and in South Africa, he leveled the series. तो भाई कॉन्फिडेंस है बंदे के अंदर, वो चीजें एक्सपीरियंस काम आता
Absolutely.
है. ही इज अ मिक्सचर ऑफ धोनी. He's a bit of mixture of Dhoni and Rohit Sharma. Calm composure, using of spinner Dhoni, and carrying the youngsters, carrying the team इज रोहित शर्मा, जो रोहित के साथ रह के वो लेगेसी सीखी होगी मुंबई इंडियंस में, उसके साथ है 3-4 साल से. इवन गौतम गंभीर को भी स्पिनर बहुत अच्छा यूज करना आता है. तो
बिल्कुल.
अभी सूर्या केकेआर में खेला है अंडर गौतम गंभीर और रोहित के साथ खेला है मुंबई इंडियंस और इंडियन टीम. तो इनको स्पिनर्स को यूज करना आता है. तो
That's when I wanted to come to you, Paji, कि ये जो experience of being with the Mumbai Indians, रोहित शर्मा थे, वर्ल्ड कप पे भी रोहित शर्मा थे, थोड़ा सा हार्दिक पांड्या द T20 कैप्टन के अंडर भी खेला है. So ये जो experience, also I would like to add a little bit about the experience management Mumbai Indians earlier had with so many big names, including the god of cricket Sachin Tendulkar, whom you always are very grateful towards. But ये इतना experience players are the इतना experience head, ये क्या उसको ज्यादा help किया है game awareness की तरफ? क्योंकि when we were talking about field setting as well, talk us through that. We could have come into Mendes, if I'm not wrong. He had a reverse sweep deep backward point. Nobody would keep that for an off spinner, but he had that. Until unless your batsman is like himself, Surya Kumar Yadav or a Glenn Maxwell, you would have thought about that. For coming to Mendes, he kept a deep backward point. The batsman got foxed and he played simply there. So game awareness ज़्यादा था. So do you think that इतना एक्सपीरियंस प्लेयर्स के अंडर खेलने के लिए उसको ये एक्सपीरियंस और लीडरशिप स्किल्स को हेल्प किया है?
यस एग्जैक्टली, एक्सपीरियंस है. आप बाहर बैठ के सब प्लान्स, आप बैट्समैन के अगेंस्ट प्लान बनाते हो, बट असली होता है हाउ यू एग्जीक्यूट द प्लान्स ऑन द फील्ड. अब कमांडर मैंडिस के इन्होंने वर्किंग किया हुआ था, वो उसके शॉट्स क्या हैं, या वो रिवर्स करता है या वो स्ट्रेट मारता है या नॉर्मल स्वीप या रिवर्स स्वीप करता है. तो उसने उसकी स्ट्रेंथ को उसने पैक कर लिया दोनों स्वीप्स को. तो उसका अब यही था कि उसको आगे ओवर द मतलब लॉन्ग ऑन या लॉन्ग ऑफ उसको ट्राई करना था. तो दैट इज वेयर. एंड वो ऑफ स्पिनर के अगेंस्ट द ऑफ स्पिनर लॉन्ग ऑफ और लॉन्ग ऑन पे मारना इज क्वाइट डिफिकल्ट. सो हैट्स ऑफ टू सूर्य कुमार यादव, कैप्टेंसी एंड द मैनेजमेंट, कोचिंग स्टाफ, एवरीथिंग. जो भी उन्होंने प्लान्स बनाए उन्होंने प्रॉपर्ली एग्जीक्यूट किए.
Absolutely, that's the good thing about Surya Kumar Yadav. He executed a plan, because how much of a management does the job? At the end of the day, you have to do it on your field along with your 10 players. That's the reason why I give him credit, because he has been chosen by the head coach. Just because we'll come to that later as the session progresses, why he was taken ahead of Hardik Pandya. You know it better. I want to hear it from you as well. But ये जो 3 series where Surya has led, couple of them has been away tours, Paji. South Africa के साथ tie किया, 3-match T20 series, 1 apiece. Then you have Sri Lanka के साथ whitewash with the squad we went out with. No Bumrah, Arshdeep not playing the final game, no Rohit, no Kohli, no Hardik playing the final game, still ending up winning a whitewash. 30 of 30 probably needed in the last T20 game. Defended that as well. So I think credit is where it's due. That's the reason why I say that he's a very calm, composed player, but he started off his captaincy in the T20 format really well.
So, winning series against Australia is not a joke. और जो एक मैच ऑस्ट्रेलिया जीता, that we know, that was the Glenn Maxwell special 100 he scored. वो ग्लेन मैक्सवेल ने हराया था इंडिया को. इंडिया नहीं हारा वो मैच, वो ग्लेन मैक्सवेल स्पेशल और
सिंगल हैंडेडली हराया था. या
सिंगल हैंडेडली. और ड्यू बहुत आ गई थी. आई गेस मैच वाज इन गुवाहाटी समवेयर. देयर वाज हेल लॉट ऑफ ड्यू जो कंट्रोल नहीं हो पा रहा था. तो क्योंकि इंडिया ने भी 200 मारा था और उन्होंने 200 चेस किया था उस टाइम पे. एंड सिंगल हैंडली ग्लेन मैक्सवेल took on the Indian bowlers. The way he played that inning against Afghanistan, it was similar kind of situation for the Glenn Maxwell. तो वही है ना एक्सपीरियंस. अब ग्लेन मैक्सवेल ने वो किया था तो उसने किया. India in the World Cup has came out on top of this situation like 30 runs, 30 balls against Pakistan as well as against South Africa in the final. So they knew how to get out of the situation, how to get on the top. So experience matter. आप कई हारों से आप सीखते हो. It's all about learning from your losses.
सही बात है, एकदम सही बात. You learn from your mistakes, but I think the way he led from the front, I think it was phenomenal to see, and that's the reason why I rate that the decision of Surya Kumar Yadav, the T20 captain, so far has been good. We will have a lot of games coming up. A few T20 encounters are yet to be there. I think during the Border Gavaskar Trophy, we are playing a T20 encounter, right, Praji?
So we are playing our next series will be against Bangladesh at home. Then we'll be having 4 away matches against South Africa in South Africa, and then England.
I think that is the time when the test team also goes to BGT as well, right, to Australia.
It will be around here, November. I guess the BGT test team will be going in the late November, I guess. November, early December. And series is in November after the Bangladesh.
Yes, I think this side will go led by Surya, and the big guns will go to the test series to play the warm-up games as well.
Yes, the players who will be the part of the test lineup, like or you can say Rishabh Pant or even Arshdeep get selected, so they won't be available. They won't be playing T20s in South Africa.
So that's when you see the likes of once again Abhishek Sharma, Ruturaj Gaikwad, Sanju Samson,
Harshit Rana, Sanju Samson.
Parag and all to get an opportunities at South Africa with the
Or
series
maybe
led by
you may see
Surya
some
Kumar
couple of
Yadav.
surprises as well during
Yeah,
that time. You may see-
but where does Hardik Pandya go? Should you send him to Australia or is it going to South Africa?
So for Hardik Pandya to have to go to Australia or Australia, first he has to come in to play Dulip Trophy. If he plays the Dulip Trophy, then only he has a chance because he has to prove his fitness, max fitness in the Test cricket, a 4-day game or a 3-day game.
Correct.
So ideally, I guess he will be definitely going to the South Africa as a deputy to Surya Kumar Yadav because maybe Shubman Gill will not be there in South Africa. Shubman Gill will be the test team only. So Hardik will be there. So Shivam Dube will be there. But even
So
Hardik has performed
I
very
think
well.
either of Gill or Yashasvi will be in the test squad.
I guess both will be there.
Both will be there.
Shubman is your number 3 batsman. Come on.
Oh yes. I
Shubman plays
saw
at
that.
number 3.
Shubman is your
Yashasvi
number
opens
3.
with Rohit
Yashasvi
Sharma.
open. Yeah.
Both will go.
I just for a second I thought
So I
you
guess
still have
you may see
Pujara.
Abhishek Sharma and Ruturaj opening, and you may see Sai Sudarshan coming at number 3. Because Sai
In the
Sudarshan has
T20s
scored well
for
in
South
South
Africa.
Africa. Sai Sudarshan
Yeah.
has scored well in South Africa in the last series. So you may see Sai Sudarshan coming in.
Absolutely, anything could happen. Sky, the leader, has been good, but what about the Sky, the batsman? Because sometimes we see the captains taking up leadership, do not be able to perform with the bat your own things. You cannot perform your own role. Sky performed with the bat as well as ball. In the recently concluded series, we saw Asalanka struggling so much with the bat. He couldn't perform with the bat at all, but he was the captain of the team. But talking about overall, firstly, 68 innings, over 2,400 runs. The strike rate is what makes it so amazing. Surya Kumar Yadav strike rate above 165 consistently, 400s already in the T20 format. Talk us through about that, Paji.
He is a magnificent player. We have seen what he has done for KKR and what he has done for Mumbai Indians as well. And in KKR, I guess he used to play at number 4 or number 5, kind of a finisher
Used
role.
to come and play
He's a
those 10
playmaker.
deliveries in the finisher role. Yeah.
Yeah, so he's a kind of a playmaker. Then Gotti realized his potential. He was promoted up the order as well because he's a one player who you cannot set field for him. You ideally you will see batsmen taking singles or playing up lofted drives or something, but his way is different. His way starts from the back of the wicket keeper. So
He will start from third man fine leg.
So इसका ये वहाँ शॉट मारता जब फील्डर नहीं होता तो वो देख के शॉट मारता है.
Absolutely.
That is
इसीलिए वो जो
mantra
couple of good length ball को जो shot मारते over backward point, over third man, over fine leg. I think those are just Surya Kumar Yadav shot. लेकिन यहाँ पे एक interesting fact है पाजी. I just want to know T20 format in the international circuit. Number 3 पे Surya has batted only 16 times, while number 4 पे 42 times. We can say about a little bit of experiments. Fine. In the World Cup, we saw Rishabh Pant batting at number 3. Is it also because Virat Kohli शुरू में number 3 bat करते थे?
Agreed. I guess in previous series, when there was an away tour, because India played in away tours as well, so the tendency was to play Surya at number 4. In Indian conditions, the tendency was to play him at number 3. So I guess there was a time when he was playing, when Virat was there, sometimes Sanju Samson there, sometimes other players were there who were playing at number 3, so he didn't get the consistent run at number 3. But for MI as well, he recently from last 2 years we are seeing he's playing at number 3 or sometimes number 4 because sometimes Tilak Verma comes up the order. Tilak Verma is sent up the order. It depends upon the situation. I guess T20 is all about flexibility. If you need a right-hander, then Surya will go. If you need a left-hander, then Rishabh Pant or either anybody go. But yes, he has a good success rate at number 4. 1594 with 1594 runs and 170 strike rate. I guess number 4 also suits him very well because he's your game changer. He plays his own game. He don't see who is playing at other end, what the team score is like that. He has to play his natural game. He's a playmaker basically. The more he play, the more he will play. You are guaranteed that he will add those extra 20-25 runs.
Because at number 4 he has 300s and at number 3 he has 100, so it shows that both the positions is his. This is his format as well, and now he's leading his side in this format as well. But the consistency I see in the strike rate, 167 plus all the time. No matter where he bats, he always loves to stay positive. A couple of dot balls doesn't make a problem for him, but again spin is where I think that he needs to take a little bit of more composure. I think, Paji. Leg spin, off spin, which one do you think is a little bit of more trouble towards Surya Kumar Yadav?
I guess not against the spin. It depends on the pitch. When the pitch is slow, little bit slow, ball is not coming onto the bat. Then he should take some time, give him some time, give him himself some time to just get the pace of the wicket. Otherwise, he's fabulous. He's fabulous with his shot, pace, swing, spin. Nothing matters to him. He just see the ball and hit the ball. That's his game.
Absolutely. See
But
the ball and
he
hit the
always
ball.
he has been found bouncing on the sluggish type of wickets. Spongy bounce, or a slow, sluggish type of wicket, like we see in the last match
Yeah.
when he's the shot was on, but it was the slowness of the pitch. The ball stopped a bit. That's why he didn't get that power and the timing to
Yeah.
cross the boundary. Also, we see in the World Cup as well in Ahmedabad. That was also a sluggish pitch. By the time he
Yeah, he
came to the
struggled
batting,
badly with the change of
he
pace.
struggled badly
Yes,
because
absolutely.
people blame Surya, but I won't be blaming Surya because it's a blaming. I will blame management for that because in 2020 you have only 20 overs and he usually comes at number 3 or number 4, means after 6 overs or usually first 6 overs. तो बहुत पुराना होता नहीं है. आप वो जब T20 जब आप वनडे में आता है और अगर 35 ओवर के बाद भी आता है तो दैट मीन्स दो एंड से बॉलिंग होती है तो 17 ओवर पुराना बॉल होता है. तो देयर इज अ हेल लॉट ऑफ डिफरेंस व्हेन अ गाय इज कमिंग एंड प्लेइंग in the 6th over and the guys coming and playing after the 17th over as we see in the ODI. अगर आप 35 ओवर के बाद 40 ओवर के बाद और 20 ओवर के बाद तो 20 ओवर मैच तो खत्म होगा, पिच तो ऑलरेडी और देखो. और अगर वो सेकंड इनिंग्स में होता है तो सेकंड इनिंग मींस ऑलमोस्ट 50 ओवर पहली टीम के और 30 ओवर दूसरी टीम के, 80 ओवर का ये बाद वाला पिच पे वो खेल रहा है. तो हाउ कैन यू कंपेयर दोस थिंग्स ना. तो हाउ कैन यू कंपेयर दोस थिंग्स.
Absolutely. That's a fact I would agree, and that's the reason why. So let him do whatever he does at the middle, play freely, just like we have allowed Rishabh Pant as well to bat freely. But let's take a look into the SWOT analysis of Suryakumar Yadav into it, and starting with the strength, Paji. These are the 2 pointers I've taken. Innovative batting. Whenever you talk about innovative, I think AB de Villiers के बाद अगर कोई आ सकता है तो Suryakumar Yadav, a little bit of Glenn Maxwell as well. 360 degree का shots जो खेलता है. And along with that is calm under pressure. I've seen it so many times. He always tries to stay calm, having a little bit of chewing gum and in his mouth, and always loves to enjoy his cricket. ये क्या उसके सबसे ज़्यादा positivity है.
Yes, I guess you said it right. He's a dangerous batsman after AB de Villiers. But AB de Villiers has the power to play down the ground as well. I loved his pull shots and those down the ground hits using his feet. अभी सूर्या वो down the ground इतना नहीं खेलता, बहुत कम खेलता है. If he can add those things to his repertoire, and my God, he's now then we be kind of a Don Bradman of T20. तो उसको बॉल डालने से बॉलर डरेगा कि बॉल डालूं कहाँ. अब तो ये आगे भी खेल रहा है. तो I guess he will work on this with Gauti is there. Gauti भी उसका भी यही गेम होता था कि डाउन द ग्राउंड खेलना और चिप शॉट्स खेलना. तो I guess he will work on the same as well because देखो टीम्स भी इस पे वर्कआउट करेंगी because T20 2026 वर्ल्ड कप इंडिया में होगा और इंडिया में पता है आईपीएल में हमने देखा कैसा स्कोर है, क्या रहता है. You need Surya in the healthiest of form in the T20 World Cup.
Absolutely. Yeah, that could be a thing, and that's the reason why we say calm under pressure. And that's the reason why Suryakumar Yadav comes into.
And one thing I wanted to add, I guess इसने AB de Villiers से ज़्यादा मैच जिताए हैं because hardly has played 68 innings. 68 innings, 17 man of the match, which is the highest.
Absolutely, I think that's one more point which we have to talk about. Suryakumar Yadav and Man of the Match awards in T20Is, but weakness एक ही है, very frequently injured हो जाता है. Is that a concern now? You are as a captain as well. Workload रहेगा आपका, so that's where you might see him injured. But do you think that he is now looking into just T20 format, not going to ODIs and tests, so that will keep himself free and the body will be calm enough to play just T20s and he will not be injured anymore?
I guess he has done the operation for this hernia sports injury जिसको हुई थी, उसका उसने ऑपरेशन कराया and now he's looking very much fit and fine. And since he will only playing the T20 format and here and there some kind of domestic matches whenever he will be free. So like injury is a part and parcel of for the cricketer's life. You cannot see, you cannot think. Yeah, उसको कोई कंट्रोल नहीं है, हमारा कोई कंट्रोल नहीं होता. You can get injured while fielding, you can get injured while doing any other thing. So field वाली injury हो, but इतनी खतरनाक इंजरी नहीं होनी चाहिए जो भी है. I guess he's because अगर next 3-4 years are the prime for Surya as a batsman. Because लोग कहते हैं कि 32-30 के बाद जो बैट्समैन का होता है 5 साल 30 से 35 का वो प्राइम होता है. Like we saw what Hayden did, what Michael Hussey did. Similarly with Surya, maybe in this T20, you never know, and you never know if he can score some runs in the domestic like Smat, Vijay Hazare, Philip Trophy. He could be reckoning for the ODI as well. You never know because South African pitches पे South African pitches will suit him if he can sustain
Yeah,
himself.
fast pitch. Absolutely.
South African pitches will suit him, his style of play.
Yeah, the ball will nicely come onto the bat, and that's the reason why. But opportunity जो है, growing young talent, building a legacy. I think growing young talent तो हम लोग ने in this series we have seen. But one moment I want to say, in the 30 T20, I think Sanju Samson had a horrendous day with both gloves as well as with the bat. जो catch उसने छोड़ा, I think of Siraj का bowling of Nissanka, and that's what the moment I saw that Surya walking up to him and cheering him, not a problem. Once again with a bright smile on your face. Will we see this very frequently with Surya Kumar Yadav, keeping things very cool, calm, and simple as much as you can?
Yes, exactly. Because देखो एज अ फील्डर कैचेस ड्रॉप होते हैं. बिश्नोई टफ कैचेस पकड़े थे, इजीएस्ट कैच उसने भी ड्रॉप किए थे. बट अगर आप वहीं पे आप अपने प्लेयर को आप डांटोगे या उसको कुछ बोलोगे, लेट डाउन करोगे, जिसका ऑलरेडी कॉन्फिडेंस डाउन है, तो ही हैज स्कोर्ड डक, ही हैज लॉस्ट कपल ऑफ कैचेस. तो वही मोटिवेशन है, वही जो मोटिवेशन उसने दिया, तो आखिरी मुझसे 2 कैच पकड़े. एंड सूर्या कुमार की बॉल में जो फाइनल ओवर में जो कैच है वो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट था. एंड सैमसन वाज श्योर, उसी ने डीएस लिया था. अंपायर तो नॉट आउट दिया था, बट सैमसन ने बोला कि आई वांट डीएस बिकॉज़ ही वाज प्रीटी मच श्योर कि बॉट्स का ग्लव
ही वाज कॉन्फिडेंट.
कैच पकड़े, वही कॉन्फिडेंस आता है ना. जब कैप्टन कॉन्फिडेंस देता है तो फिर आप डिसीजन मेकिंग भी आपको उस तरह से हो जाती है.
बिल्कुल एकदम सही बात है. दैट्स द रीजन व्हाई आई थिंक अपॉर्चुनिटी फॉर सूर्या एज अ T20 कैप्टन upcoming series, I think this will be a huge, because more or less in the T20 format till the World Cup, I think we will expect a young side to go, and then we will see from there. But about the threat, I think this is where my question is, that there were a lot of expectations from Hardik Pandya, Paji. Reasons behind removing him was the workload. Do you think the selection of Surya Kumar Yadav from Hardik Pandya was the right choice? Keeping aside the series का पहले आपका क्या thought process था?
So I मेरे को भी ये लगता था कि हार्दिक पांड्या ही इज द राइट चॉइस फॉर लीडिंग द इंडियन टीम आफ्टर रोहित शर्मा, बिकॉज he was captain. He captained India for 15-16 matches before. Then after that, once he got injured, then Surya came into reckoning. He led the team against Australia and South Africa, because that freak injury to Hardik what happened during the World Cup. तो अब जो पॉइंट्स हैं, जो चेयरमैन अजीज अहरकर सेलेक्टर ने बताया कि वी नीड अ कैप्टन हु कैन बी विद द टीम ऑल द टाइम. एंड हार्दिक को अब इस पे 2 चीज हो सकती है. या तो हार्दिक को एक मैसेज दिया गया है, यू हैव टू बी अप ऑन द टोज, क्योंकि इसको डोमेस्टिक भी खेलना है, अपनी बॉडी को आपको वैसा बनाना है. तो अभी तो 3 मैच हुए हैं T20 के. अगले वर्ल्ड कप से पहले 37 मैचेस और होंगे, और फॉर्म ऊपर नीचे होता है, सब कुछ होगा. अभी आप जीत रहे हो, अब कुछ मैच हारोगे भी, चीजें भी होगी, बिकॉज आप 40 मैच नहीं जीतोगे, किसी मैच में आपको हार भी मिलेगी. देन देयर इज एशिया कप एज वेल. आई गेस अगले साल जो एशिया कप होगा, जब कब होगा, तब आपको आपकी वर्ल्ड कप की टीम मिल जाएगी. एशिया कप में जो टीम जाएगी वो आपकी वर्ल्ड कप की टीम होगी. बहुत अभी जो टिल इंग्लैंड सीरीज आप अभी ट्राई करोगे, फिर देन आईपीएल होगा. द मोमेंट एशिया कप होगा, वो आपकी वर्ल्ड कप की टीम होगी. तो अभी बहुत क्रिकेट बाकी है.
Absolutely. Asia Cup held in India, and similarly 2026 India will be the host for the World Cup. So more or less
double benefit for India. India को पता है,
double benefit for India. 100%. That's the reason why I think this is going to be the right choice. Let's see how Surya Kumar Yadav performs as a captain along with Gautam Gambhir, the head coach. How they take things. I think they will bat freely, they will play freely, they will play fearless cricket. The template is set. How he takes forward. Good luck to Surya. Thank you so much, Paji. Thank you to all the viewers for watching this video. Surya Kumar Yadav, the T20 captain, has done well. Has started off the GG era really well with a whitewash against Sri Lanka. Let's see how it goes. Till then, don't forget to subscribe to Fifth Umpire. Press the bell icon as well. Till then, thank you so much, and bye-bye.